How to hand wash laundry on a homemade washing station made of concrete. This is a laundry bar specifically designed for hand washing laundry. Unlike regular detergents, laundry bar soaps rinse away easily. They are quick and effective on removing, lifting, dirt, and stains, while laundry detergents require to sit and soak and then agitate. Each bar is unique from sense to how effective they can be on certain stains or fabric types. There are many ways to hand wash laundry. Everyone develops their own techniques that are comfortable to them. So don't feel the need to do exactly what one person does. Take a little here and there and make it your own. Hand washing laundry can be fun, accomplishing, or a stress reliever. Some laundry bars create lovely suds, and some don't, but are very effective. I guess it all depends on your preference. Another fun fact about laundry bars is that they come in all different kinds of scents. With the right tools and knowledge, hand washing can be easy and fun. It definitely beats the old bathtub method, and I feel that my laundry is much cleaner this way. I hope you can take something from this video and give it a try for yourself. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you all who stood around this far. Your support is very much appreciated.